fat girl going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. I am on vacation. I am in Florida, and I am not with my crew having their amazing boot camp workout. So P.J. sent me like a list of things that he needed me to do. So I have a list for me to do here while I'm on vacation. I haven't been eating that great, so I've been here 2 days, and I just haven't been watching what I've been eating, and I already feel the effects of it. I feel almost a little drunk. I feel off. And I know it's from that, so I'm gonna straighten my little behind out today and do what it is I have to do to make sure that my body continues on the path that it is going. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click the little bell notification so you don't miss a video. This is the journey of a fat girl trying to get from P.H.A.T to pretty healthy and terrific in real time. It is taking a long time because it is a journey. This is a journey where I mess up and then I get better, and then I mess up and then I get better, and then I'm good, and then, you know, this is the truth of what it is to lose weight. It is not a magic pill. It doesn't happen overnight. It's great to see the clips of people who have lost weight, which is awesome, but I'm trying to show you what it is in real time. Like, what are they actually going through? Not a video of when they were big, and then a video of them just working out, and then a video of voila, they've lost 100 pounds. This is more of a journey of going through what it is to lose this weight and how you mess up and how you don't do everything right, and trying to get experts on here to talk to you about what that means, and trying to show you that even when you're on vacation, you can get stuff done. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll talk to you at the end.
and there's supposed to be 6 rounds, but I'm literally, my body's shaking so bad I can't even put my hands down to do the inchworms or nothing. I'm a little frustrated with myself right now because I know it has to do with, not watching what I'm eating and just kind of eating whatever. It's a very frustrating situation when you are, younger in the mind or healthier in the mind than you are in your body. And sometimes you feel a little trapped because you want to do more than you actually can do. So halfway through the workout, when I started shaking, I got frustrated because I feel like those are moments that show you, that you are a long way away from what you want to be. I also know the positive end of it, right? That I'm doing it. And those Pringles right there, those are not mine. Those are my husband's. In case you guys don't know, you stop eating Pringles. I didn't eat those. People are always judging, right? But this is why I wanted to make this journey what it is and put myself out there to be the guinea pig, if you will, for showing what it is to try to get healthy the long, hard way. This is not, edited other than to try to speed up the workouts so that you don't get bored watching somebody working out, but you see that the workout is happening while you're in camp or on vacation or anything like that. I don't film myself usually eating or having dinner, not because I'm always eating bad things, but because that's the time for my family. My husband and I, and down here visiting my daughter, my grandchild. I don't feel like pulling out a camera. Those moments are sacred, and so we usually spend that time conversing and chit-chatting and laughing, and so you probably won't get too much of different foods unless I take a still picture of my dish or something, but when I mess up, I'll let you guys know for real, because I have in the last 3 days driving here, and then we've only been here 2 days, and driving here I was not prepared, so we bought trail mix and chips, and it was garbage, and I felt like garbage after I ate it. And then we got here and went out, had some Starbucks and lattes and stuff, and then it's just been garbage ever since, and I feel it today, because when I'm having regular boot camp, I can do all of that and then some, right? For an hour we're just pumping it out. And today I literally, after the first one, I was giving up in my brain, and I said, no, you have to at least push through 2 more, because my body is literally shaking right now. I feel dehydrated. Well, it is 80 degrees in here, but I feel dehydrated, and I realized that you can't do one without the other. You cannot not eat right and then go work out and think it's okay. It damages your body, even if you're healthy. And I'm pretty healthy, except for my weight, which has caused me a lot of issues. But I'm gonna do this thing, and I just needed a one-on-one to let you guys know the struggle is real. It's hard as hell. It's a battle. It's frustrating and angering. But it is not the end of the world, and it is doable. This is first world problems, having this much weight and having to take it off. Anyway, thank you guys for listening. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I don't know if this convinced you to just subscribe or to delete. But I hope you do subscribe and watch the rest of my journey. 2021 is around the corner.